Well, good morning. Time for a little update. Tomorrow we're going to continue working on the grill area. And by tomorrow night, hopefully in the center area, we'll have the grill set in place and a lot more stuff done too. So you can see the cedar siding that we're putting on. Got a piece of plywood laid up, but I've had to work on the sprinklers a little bit. And after that, I wanted to come over here and show you the blackberries. They're just so beautiful, especially in the afternoon when the sun kisses them and they have swollen up to where they'll just drop off when you pick them into your hand. So delicious. And this is the main blackberry vine that I have here. And then the other side over here, this plant right here is the mother plant that every one of these blackberry plants came from. Isn't that something? And just a ton of blackberries there too. I've got this bed ready. I still need to put my lime in it, but it's ready for about 20 or so jalapeno plants. And I've got the Roma tomatoes here, Beefmaster tomatoes in the other beds, and then onion and garlic. So everything's looking really good. Let's take a quick look in the greenhouse. I'm just going to kind of tell you what all is growing here. We've got okra, kale, aloe vera. We have Roma tomatoes, beets, more aloe vera, kale, jalapenos. I've got fig tree transplants from the fig tree, salad greens there. We've got cabbage, peach cot trees in this bucket right here. And this is a Tabasco plant. I've already pruned it back. But if you've never seen a Tabasco plant, let me show you. This is what the little guys look like before they turn red. And then here's the blossoms. They're just little, but they're so potent. Oh my gosh. I'm going to dry those in, and then we'll see if we can make some Tabasco sauce. This is Brussels sprouts straight ahead. And on the left, another jalapeno. There's more jalapenos down low, and then up here also that will be ready to transplant Beefmaster tomatoes. Isn't that the coolest? Yeah, they're just growing well in the hydroponics. Another Beefmaster. It's cabbage here, jalapenos, and this is ancho chili right here that's starting to blossom out. Isn't that great? And then we've got oregano, parsley, and mint, and kale. And then down here are the jalapenos I'm going to plant in the raised bed. So that's really about it for now. So in about a week, we should be able to plant the jalapenos in the raised bed after I add lime to it and have finished stabilizing the soil. So that's a little view of the backyard.